Hi, in this video we'll be going over how to install the Kaltura Capture application from the Kaltura Mediaspace. To begin, go to umsd.mediaspace.kaltura.com and click Guest in the top right corner. Next, click Login. Enter your UMass Dartmouth credentials and click Login again. To install the application, select the Add New tab and then Kaltura Capture. This will take you to the installation page. Click Download for Windows if you're using a Windows PC, or Mac for a MacBook. Follow the installation steps by clicking Next, and then finally click Install. You will now have a Kaltura Capture icon on your desktop. To pair your Kaltura account to My Courses, return to your My Courses dashboard. Again, click My Media, and again, click Add New, and then Kaltura Capture. This will prompt a dialog box asking if you want to open Kaltura Capture. Click Open Kaltura Capture. The application will now launch. To deselect an input, just click on the blue icon so that it turns gray. Each of your input sources can be deselected if you choose to not use them. You can use the drop-down menu located directly below the icon to select which input you would like to use. To begin your recording, click the red button. And then the recorder will appear in the lower right-hand corner and begin counting up from 0. You can use pause to temporarily stop the video and then resume it. And you can use the Annotation tool. There's a marker to draw on the screen. There's an arrow tool to indicate particular parts of the screen. And there's a text box tool to add text on top of whatever you are displaying. You can then also use a whiteboard, which sits on top of everything else, and all of the same annotation tools are available here as well. When you're done annotating, click Clear. When you're satisfied with the video, click Stop Recording. Yes. The Finalization menu will then open, where you can give it a title and a description, and then click Save and Upload. You'll be taken to the Kaltura library page, where you will see a progress bar indicating how much of it has been uploaded. And when it is complete, it will be available on your My Media page. Thank you.